Yo, what is up, intelligent people? Mr. Sicko right here. Today we're going to be doing a case study on BTT, not BTT, but Bitcoin. Okay, it's the weekend, so obviously, like we're just trading the crypto market. Okay, it was a quick trade, nothing so serious, just 1 to 5 RR. But I like really want to explain it to you. What did I manage to see right here? What happened and all that. So let's get straight into it. So obviously, like we did a top-down analysis here, we managed to see a quick like a hiccup. Overall, like we were just like praying to the downside. Right now on the 30 minute and the 50 minute time. This is the 10 minute time frame. Okay, I'm just gonna have the replay bar tool here right now. Here, I'm gonna have it to where is it? Oh yeah, right here. So this is gonna be around this candle. So this is how it looked like. Right, what did I manage to see right here was overall it managed to fall like a lot down after we managed to change the character right here. This like break structure, if you can call it, like change your character, however you can call it. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the bottom, just like that. So after we broke through the structure with this low, I just saw that we were gonna like come around right here, liquidate with this. See, this got induced. We did manage to tap into a small supply area. Then after that, what happened right here? We see we had another. Okay, it was actually right here. Okay, we had another break of structure with this lows and that. Right now, if I go to the 5 minute time frame, this is how it looks like. So on the 5 minute, as you conclude the series, we managed to break through the structure and broke through the structure right here. But what did I manage to see up front? As you can see, we have this square right here. This is not like coincidence. It was just a Wyckoff distribution. So what happened? Here we have the PSY. I'm just gonna like tap them out for you guys real quick. This was the so as he said, PSY. This whole thing right here is the PSY. This is the BC right here, the buying climax. Then here we have the AR. See, after that we managed to have this UT or the uptrust that obviously went above the BC. After that, we managed to have like a little signs of weakness right here that went below all them. Okay, we can mark it up, but I don't usually mark up the signs of weaknesses because there is no point of them. We can just see them on the chart. Overall, I do not mark up the Y call, but for you guys, I can do everything. Here, as you can see, we had this UTAD, the final point. Managed to have 2 weeks, but okay, it's whatever. We changed the character. Okay, we had the break structure right here, first time, second time, right here. But this is just a substructure, but on the higher time, as you can see, after we broke through the structure, that's when we can actually just like look into entry. So, what caused this break structure right here was this order block. After that, we tapped into it, came back down, beautiful. So let me know what your thoughts about this case study. Okay, 1 to 5 or as I said, we managed to have this first entry right here, came back down. It like went even up above right here to just liquidate these the sellers, and after they just straight to the downside. As you see, this is how it took like this is how it looked like. So let me know what are your thoughts about this. Have a great day for the rest of your day. I know that we could have just like profited a lot from this trade, but like it is what it is. Have a great day for the rest of your day. Peace out. Have free educational content. It's a YouTube playlist. Okay, it's a free. Second link in the description. The first link it's just a Discord server. Okay, it's free. Not charging for nothing on the channel for right now. Peace out.